Welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to curl a face like a piece of paper using Photoshop. First, go to Select and click on Subject. Now press Ctrl plus J to duplicate the selected subject onto a new layer. New layer selected, go to Image then Adjustments and select Desaturate to make the image black and white. Select the rectangle tool. Apply a gradient fill. Draw a square where you want the curl effect, making sure to keep the fold side white for a realistic look. Position the rectangle precisely at the corner of the image. Now select both layers and press Ctrl plus E to merge them. Go to Edit, then Transform, and select Warp. Now grab the corner of the image and carefully shape it to create the curled effect. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.